Hey guys, so today we're going to do some story problems and I'm going to show you how to do an addition story problem. We're going to read it together. I'm going to show you some important words and then we're going to do the number sentence together. That way when you guys know how to or go off to do it on your own, you'll know what to do, okay? So this says Matthew had 4 cookies on his plate. His mom gave him one more. How many does he have on his plate altogether? So there's some important words in the story problem. So first of all, we know that Matthew started with 4 cookies on his plate. So that's kind of important. We need to circle that 4. His mom gave him one more. More is also an important word. I'm going to circle that as well because you know that means if you're getting more, that is going to give us a clue that we need to add. Okay? So then it says, how many does he have on his plate all together? So it knows we're looking for the total or how many he has all together. So I always start with my picture. So I'm going to draw a plate, and you guys know that Miss Johnson is not an artist. I have never claimed to be, so you just have to bear with me on my picture. So here's my plate. So I'm going to go back to my number problem, and I'm going to see how many cookies he started with. So how many cookies did he start with? Good. He started with 4. So now I'm going to draw 4 cookies. 1. I'm going to put some chocolate chips because those are my favorite. 2, 3, and 4. So I have my 4 cookies. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill in my number sentence as I go because it just makes it easier. So we said that he started with 4. So in my first box, I'm going to write a 4. Then up here, remember it told us that we're adding more. So we know we're going to add. So where my sign goes, I'm going to add. Okay, now I need to go back to the problem and see what I'm adding. How many more am I adding? Well, up here it says his mom gave him one more. So I need to add one more cookie, some chocolate chips. And then in my number sentence, I need to add a 1 as well. Now, is our number sentence finished? Nope, not yet. We're looking for how many he has all together. So we need our equal sign, and we need to finish our sentence. So go back and count how many he has all together. How many does he have? Good, he's got 5. So to finish ours, we need to write a 5. So let's go back and make sure we're right. Let's read our number sentence again and then make sure it matches our actual sentence, our story problem. So our number sentence says we have 4 plus 1 equals 5. So now let's go make sure it matches our number problem. So Matthew had 4 cookies on his plate. We started with 4. Then his mom gave him 1 more. So we have our sign where it says add. And then we have a 1 where we added 1 more. Then our last sentence says, how many does he have on his plate altogether? So we put our equal sign, and altogether he has 5 cookies. Good job, guys.